In a shimmering, futuristic clinic, holographic glucose molecules dance around Dr. Fifie. With a snap of his fingers, Dr. Fifie conjures a floating tarik, defying gravity and expectations. Selamat datang. Today, we're diving into diabetes not because your kuimui is cursed. Let me explain diabetes in an animated way, shall we? Glucose is vital to our body. It is transport to whole body via our red blood cells, insulin holding the key. However, insulin key is missing, leaving glucose stranded outside of red blood cells nowhere to go. What happens to glucose fate? Where the insulin key go? How a vital key is missing? Let us see what is the main culprit to cause this havoc. Let's imagine like this. Glucose is like a VIP trying to get into an exclusive club, and insulin is the bouncer. Of course, something goes wrong with the bouncer, leaving the VIP stranded unattended. This is Pancreas Factory, this marvel engineering producing insulin with unwavering precision. What is the difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes? Let me explain. In type 1 diabetes, the factory is ablaze, infernos consuming vital machinery as the immune system mistakenly attack beta cells worker. Type 2? Workers get lazy after too much nasi lemak. Beta cell overwork and underpaid leave sugar stranded in your blood. Ouch. In type 1, the immune system mistakenly attacks the beta cells, leading to the destruction of the factory. Hence, no insulin production. Dr. Fifie clarifies with a hint of frustration. 2. The workers are on strike as they work more than other organ, leading to decreased insulin production. In the virtual body map, Dr. Fifie unveils a grim landscape of failing health, as storm clouds ominously gather around the projection. Dr. Fifie warns of the insidious damage of high sugar, which she describes as acid rain on the body's vital organs. The screen flashes a stark warning: symptoms, dangers, blurred vision, slow healing wound, tingling and numbness of hand and feet also part of the symptoms. Unattended symptoms can cause diabetic ketoacidosis, where your body is having a surge of tornado that can cause death. Here is your lifesaver: insulin injection. If your usual vendor can't produce item you need, then you do outsourcing. Same with this condition. We outsourcing insulin. Synthetic insulin can be human insulin or modern artificial insulin made by genetic engineering called analog. Of course, with insulin, lifestyle modification and healthy diets is a must. Have a consultation session with your dietitian. Insulin shot is vital lifeline for type 1 diabetes. Continuous insulin pump or artificial pancreas is new development, but still high in prices. For type 2 diabetes, major lifestyle modification and sugar restriction diet shows significant improvement and prolonged longevity. Glucose monitoring at home and diet diary help doctor to monitor your health update and titrating your insulin dosage. Most questions from diabetes patient are, people said I can't consume sugar anymore. Is it true? Sugar is a huge conundrum in diabetes world. Should I stop taking it? Should I take weekly? I am depressed without my favorite food. Now, that doesn't mean sugar is evil. It just means we need to be smart about how much, what kind, and when you eat it. Myth: you can have eyes kakung just, not daily. Balance, folks. Even roti canai deserves a cheat day with veggies. It's about balance. Pairing carbs with fiber, protein, and healthy fats slows down how fast sugar hits your blood. That gives your body a better chance to manage it. Think of it like this: you're the boss, and sugar is the employee. You decide when and how much work it gets to do, not the other way around. For example, having a small piece of dark chocolate after a balanced meal is very different from having a big glass of sugary soda on an empty stomach. It's about balance. Pairing carbs with fiber, protein, and healthy fats slows down how fast sugar hits your blood. That gives your body a better chance to manage it. And yes, you can still enjoy life. Birthdays, holidays, treats, they're part of being human. The key is knowing how to fit them in without letting them take over. Let's build a plan together that fits your routine, your culture, and your taste buds, so you're not just managing diabetes, you're living well with it. Diabetes isn't a life sentence, it's a path. Walk it smart, and you'll still outdance your kakak at weddings. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more informative and short videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.